Welcome back, everyone. A new amazing chimpanzee intelligence test has just been released by the BBC. This is a really cool one. If you've seen my other videos, you know that chimps are incredibly intelligent creatures who are capable of some pretty amazing things. They can recognize themselves in the mirror. They have really complex language abilities, and they're even capable of developing theory of mind. In this video, I'm going to share an incredible chimpanzee intelligence test from the BBC, which shows how good their memory is. Before we get into it, if you haven't seen my other videos on chimp intelligence, make sure to check them out after this one. Also, please subscribe. Alright, let's see how smart chimps really are. In this experiment,
the researchers wanted to see if chimps could remember where certain objects were located after being shown that location only once.
the chimp's memory abilities were tested with 4 different objects: a ball, a rope, a bell, and a comb. Here's how the test works. First, a human will enter the enclosure and place one of the 4 objects behind either the blue or the green box. Then the human will exit the enclosure and a chimpanzee will enter. Once the chimp enters, the box with the object will either stay closed or it will open, depending on whether the chimp will be shown the location of the object or not. So sometimes the chimps would be shown the location of the object and sometimes they wouldn't. After looking for a bit, the chimps would give up on the search and exit the enclosure. Then a second chimp would enter. For the second chimp, the box would stay closed until they exited. Then a third chimp would enter, and the box would again stay closed until they exited. Finally, a fourth chimp would enter, and this time, the box would either open or stay closed, depending on whether the first chimp was shown the location of the object or not. So, if the first chimp was shown the location of the ball behind the blue box, then, for the fourth chimp, the blue box will remain closed and the green box will open. And if the first chimp wasn't shown the location of the ball, so it's hidden behind the blue box, but the chimp didn't see where, then the green box will remain closed and the blue box will open. This is basically a test of the chimp's ability to remember where the object was located after only being shown that location one time. The results were very impressive. Out of 13 chimps tested, 10 of them remembered which box contained the object. It was really cool to see how the chimps communicated with each other by pointing and making various sounds while they were doing the test. I wish I understood what they were saying. Maybe someday soon. This study shows that chimps have incredible memories. Being able to remember where something was located after only seeing it one time is a very complex cognitive ability. Not only does it require a good memory, but it also requires the ability to pay attention, to be able to disregard all the other locations that the object could possibly be at, as well as not getting distracted by the other boxers opening and closing. If you ask me, these guys totally passed the test. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I really enjoyed this video because it's always amazing to see how smart chimps are. They're such incredible creatures. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya!